How to clear Instagram search suggestions while typing. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started with the process. Open up your Instagram application. Now from here, let's go to our search icon. All you have to do is tap on this wrong icon and it will get removed. Another way to do this is going to your profile on your bottom right, tap in the 3-bar icon on your top right, go to your activity on third menu, and here you will see recent searches. Tap that, and if you had any recent searches, it will get displayed here. Just like so, you can remove it from here. If it still does not solve your problem, then the last option is going to this 3-bar icon and then go to settings and privacy, scroll below and go to help. Tap on report a problem, tap include and continue, and now here write your problem. Once you have done that, tap send, and your problem will get solved in a couple days. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more helpful contents like this.